At the moment kay koan, kanang happy kayo ko. Okay? Fi- Finally, after 10 years.
Asin. Mo to, timing jud pa doon siya uli. Mo jud, yung side-side na siyang naong nakitaan ba? Kaya mo to,
Dale and Angel, you are truly God's gifts to one another. Okay, you have prayed for one another. You asked for this woman, Dale. Angel is God's gifts to you. You asked for this man, Angel.
Dagan ko gusto
Dale
isulti,
is God's
pero
gifts.
ang motibabaw jud ang iyang pagka steadfast jud, like hayag jud ang iyang suga na kangit-ngit mawala yun.
Angel, do you take Dale, dear present, for your lawful husband, according to the rites of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Dale and Angel, learn never to forget prayer. Prayer is your connection to the Lord. Prayer is your strength that can go all the way.
Hi Babs, mao na gid ni, nailad yun ko nimo. Di na jud ko ka atrasan pero sige na lang. Inanam gitaan ni. Just wanna thank you for all the years that we've been together, all the hardships that we've overcome, and yeah, I know, even though may mga challenges tang magian, I know that we'll be able to overcome it. Kay kita, 10 years na nagkuyog, dagan na kitag naagian. So, basic na lang kayo na para nato. And yeah, wala dito ko mag-uol.
Chanel, thank you so much for being my support system every now and then. Always remember that I will always be by your side. Wala ko ng bahay, nagpipilit ka. Over 100 of men.
I promise that I'll stay true to my path. I love you to the end. Come on, Andres. It's napapatay future babies. And yeah, I love you so much.
Walay enough